Hey guys, AJ at HOGWORKZ, and today I'm going to be telling you about our handguards that we have for various motorcycles. Today we're going to be putting them on our Fat Bob. These are going to come in various different colors. They're also going to come with a bracket for manual and hydraulic clutch, and they're pretty easy to install. Alright, so first we're going to get the handguards assembled so we can put them on the bike. Alright, so first we're going to take our bolt here, put our serrated washer on there, and then normal washer. So we got two of those, and we got two inserts with flats cut into them, and those inserts are going to go here on the outside, and then our bracket is going to mount on top of your controls. And you want to line the bracket up with the flats cut on the bracket with the flats cut on the inserts. So once you get those lined up, put your bolts in. We'll tighten those down. Same thing for the other side. And the flats. We're going to tighten these down. We're going to use a 10mm and just want to go until they're snug. Same thing with the other side. Snug them down. Okay. We're ready to put them on the bike. So now we're going to pull the stock mirrors off and get these handguards put on. So for that I got a 13mm wrench. We're just going to crack these loose. Take this off. Don't drop your bolt, your nut, and the serrated washer. Next, we're going to pull your mirror out and put in a handguard. Back into hole. Grab your nut and your new serrated washer included with the kit. We're going to grab the light. Make sure the light is in the cutout for your handguard. And we're going to screw the nut back on. And make sure the light is all the way up against its resting point. Kind of tighten the mirror. Set your mirror. Hold on to everything. Tighten it up with 13. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing on the clutch side. Loosen up the nut. Let that hang. Pull your mirror out. In there, and you can see this one's made for the cable clutch perch style. Your nut and your new serrated washer. Make sure the light is in the cutout for the handguard. Take your nut with your washer. Get it on there. Tighten it up with 13. All right, we got our handguards installed, and now we're ready to ride.